My name is Niels. I am a product designer at Chameleon, and at Chameleon I design all the new products and make product improvements on the existing collections. The collaboration between Chameleon and Artome is a very innovative and aesthetically pleasing solution for work environments and learning environments. When we design new products for Chameleon, we take great care in all the details. And this attention to detail is something we recognize in all the Artome products. Our low-gloss surfaces really work well with the projection technology that Artome provides, and this creates a really strong combination of products that is suitable for a lot of different working environments. When designing a whiteboard, the possibilities are almost endless. We have the capability to make almost any size and detail the whiteboards in a lot of different ways. So think about sharp edges or curved edges, and even sizes that take the maximum projection capabilities of the Artome into account. This combination promotes interaction, productivity and efficiency, making it a valuable investment for any professional or educational space.